guys? Nuke the FridgeCon 2014. Here he is, the hot rod, Roddy Piper. Sir, how's it going?
Good. You know, I lost an arm, you know, but I gained a grandchild. I came here from Scotland to come to this one.
Wow.
And people have told me I've been to this one before. I don't quite remember it, but I really like it. You know, some of the things that are going on. It's busy. You know, I get to talk with people. I get to say hi. You know, and for me, they take me and they take me off the airplane. Then the back of the hotel and the dumbwaiter that they use at the restaurant, put me in my room. Take me. I never get to see you guys. So it's really cool for me to say hi.
There it is.
Yeah.
So do you have any like just fan experiences that you just come off the top of your head? Anything that sticks out?
Well, I've been stabbed 3 times. You know, and the last time an inch from the heart.
Wow.
You know, there's a couple incidents I've been shot at. I think I had one fan say, "I like you," one time. My life is it's not like anybody else's life. I've been like 30-some car crashes. I went down on an airplane, had cancer, got electrocuted, over 7,000 full fights. I don't know, maybe some other stuff I can't remember.
Hey, but you're the hot rod, so you'll never go.
Man, nah, never back up.
Hey, you got your Hall of Fame ring?
There it is, baby.
There it is, Hall of Fame.
I'm actually in 4 Halls of Fame.
What
this
for?
is the World Hall of Fame in Amsterdam, the Amateur Wrestling Hall of Fame in Waterloo, and the Canadian WWE. It's kind of getting silly now, right?
Absolutely not. You're Roddy Piper. Guys, the hot rod, inside edge, Mike West.
Sup?